साथ है वो आपके साथ है कि आप देख रहे हैं स्क्राइब। जैसा कि आपको हमने बताया कि आज हम आप पहुंचे हैं मयूर स्कूल सिलीगुड़ी में। यहाँ पर बहुत ही खास प्रोग्राम चल रहा है कलांजलि उत्सव 2024 जो ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है मयूर स्कूल सिलीगुड़ी के द्वारा। हम आपको बता दें कि आज का ये प्रोग्राम जो है बहुत ही खास होने वाला है बच्चों के लिए और बच्चों के पेरेंट्स के लिए, साथ ही उन सभी लोगों के लिए जो मयूर स्कूल के से जुड़े हैं या जुड़ना चाहते हैं। आज हम यहाँ पर दिखा रहे हैं कि बच्चों ने क्या कुछ सीखा है स्कूल में। हमारे साथ मैम जुड़ी है, हम उनसे सारी जानकारियां लेंगे। नमस्ते, आपका नाम?
नमस्ते, निवेदिता चक्रवर्ती।
आज का ये जो कलांजलि उत्सव 2024 ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है मयूर स्कूल की तरफ से, इसका खास मकसद क्या है, उद्देश्य क्या है?
We actually want to show the learning progression of our children. What they have been doing since April. We started the school in the month of April. So what they have been doing all these months, you can see the displays in various rooms and also in the corridors. Not only that, you will also find the cultural program on stage. It is basically showing the development of our children, I think all-round development in the school.
मैम हम चाहेंगे कि क्या कुछ आज प्रदर्शनी में दिखाया गया है वो आप हमें एक बार दिखाएं।
हाँ, sure. You can please come here. You can see the displays here. Not only the displays, the classes are mentioned. Say for example, this is class 2. They have done it from this particular chapter and even the lesson plan number is mentioned. That means it was a part of the lesson delivery of a teacher. Not only that, you will also see the skills that we have tried to develop through each of these activities, right? And here you can see the notebooks of our children, even the books where they have worked. We not only not only children, all individuals, we make mistakes. But once we are told about the mistakes, we listen to it. But do we go back and see it again? We do not do it. But at Mayur School, we make sure that the children do the correction of the mistakes that they have done so that they turn back and see it again and learn the correct things. So you can see the copies and books are opened, how the teachers make them do the corrections when the children make mistakes. Right? I'll take you to the other rooms where you'll find the displays of the other subjects too. These are the word cards. When children learn new words, they make these word cards. Not only the words are written here, but also the meanings are written at the back of these, chart papers. Right? So this way they learn. They make books, they make brochures, and all these are a part of their classroom lessons. Right? I'll take you to the other rooms. This one's for English. I'll show you here. All these things children have done in their art and craft classes. We have them with us Sujana, right? Because these are creative work. Most important thing over here is that children have used 99% of recycled materials. So we teach children how to do that. I'll take you to the other places.
वेस्ट चीजों से भी इस तरीके की एक अच्छी और एक मतलब सीखने की चीजें तैयार करना, ये मयूर स्कूल सिखाता है, ये इसकी खासियत।
This room is dedicated to EVS and SST. So you can see again the copies here, the models that they have made while learning a particular chapter, and at the same time you can see the displays on the boards class-wise, which talks about the different kind of classroom experience that children have at Mayur School, Siliguri. So this is for SST and EVS. I'll take you to the other rooms too.
मैम जब हम देखते हैं कि आजकल के बच्चों में यूनिटी नहीं दिखाई देती, हमें कंपटीशन लगा रहता है, तो इन सब चीजों को तैयार करने में किस तरीके से वो लोग एक साथ मिलकर काम किए हैं वो भी हम जानना चाहेंगे।
Sure. We focus on collaborative learning. Just now when I was on stage, I was speaking about collaborative learning. That is what children enjoy the most. So over here, what we do is that either sometimes we give them individual work, sometimes they go for paired work. दो बच्चे एक साथ काम करते हैं. कभी-कभी we make groups of 4 to 5 maximum, and we keep in mind that when we form the groups, all children who are good at that subject should not be together. We make a mix and match. I mean, children, those who are mediocre, children, those who are a little weak in academics, and children who are very bright in academics. So when it is a mix and match, the contribution of all children are there in the work. They take pride in their own work. This room is dedicated to the second languages that we offer. So Nepali, Bangla, and Hindi displays are here. Similarly, the teachers have displayed the copies of the children. If a parent, if a visitor, a guest wants to turn the pages of the copy and see what children are doing, they can do so.
मैम, ये सब जो बच्चों के द्वारा तैयार किया गया है, इन सब चीजों को लेकर क्या पेरेंट्स के साथ आपकी कुछ बातचीत हुई? उन्होंने किस तरीके से इस पे रिएक्ट किया? क्या कुछ उनका रिस्पांस मिला आपको?
This is the first Kalanjali Utsav of the school because we have just started in the month of April. Parents are overwhelmed to see this, and most importantly, they are overwhelmed to see the demonstration of the children. From 10 to 11:30, the children demonstrated their work. So that is something the parents like. I'll take you to the other corners of the school. I think you have witnessed children, they were the chefs today. They have prepared food and they have given it to the parents, visitors, guests, whoever came. And we named it Swad Sakam. And you can see, even the price of the drinks are mentioned here. This amount is not collected by the school. This amount is collected by the children, and children will decide what they will do with this money. So it is teaching them entrepreneurship. Right? And all these cartoon characters also add meaning. Since it was Swat Sangam, we will find the characters who are more into food. मैम, हम एक तरफ देख पा रहे हैं कि बच्चों ने हाथों से इन सब चीजों को तैयार किया है, वहीं दूसरी तरफ वो पीकिंग प्रोग्राम में यहाँ पे हम देख पा रहे हैं. We have a dedicated activity hour. During the activity hour, the children they do various cultural activities. Whether it is dance, music, art, theatre, everything is done during that time. So since we are getting the dedicated hour, we do not need to do away with our classes. But of course, before the Kalanjali Utsav, you can understand is the first annual concert. Last 3 to 4 days, children were into it. They have tried their best. They have put in their hearts and souls to make this event a success. I'll take you to the other rooms also. मैम, हम जानना चाहेंगे कि इन सब चीजों के लिए कितने दिन से तैयारी कर रही है स्कूल की तरफ से? वैसे तो all these things are a part of lesson. Right from the month of April we are doing it. No special preparation for these displays are required because it is a part of their regular school day. But for the cultural program, when it is an annual concert, for the last 1 month, the children, they have tried their best, our staff, teachers, they have been working tirelessly to make this event a truly successful one. So you can see children, so long they were demonstrating various experiments to the parents, whoever visited, and all these things have been done in class, not for this Utsav, right? But we want to show it, that what they do and how they learn. So all these things they have done in class. How you will differentiate, I'll tell you. This is set 2, means week 2. So it was done in the month of April. And again, see, it is set 13. That means much later, 2 months later. So different sets are mentioned, which indicates that it has been done at different points of time to teach different concepts. Here the puzzle corner, the mathematics puzzles are here. So parents came, they enjoyed, they played with the children. So all these have been made by our children.
मैम, मैथमेटिक्स एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जिससे बच्चे दूर भागते हैं. हम जानना चाहेंगे कि इस तरीके की जो जैसे क्लास में सिखाया जाता है उनको, वो किस तरीके से इंटरेस्ट दिखाते हैं?
Actually, we have another program also for the children, which is a gamified platform. So वैसे तो देखिए, every day we have a math class, but one class is dedicated for first in math. That is the gamified platform where children sit and play games, but they actually learn mathematics. Moreover, when we play with them using such puzzles, they do not know that they are learning the concepts. They think that they are playing, but see, we make them learn. So automatically the subject becomes interesting. Similarly, this is computer. Sometimes it becomes difficult for the children to understand the subject because children, those who do not take much interest in mathematics, they find it difficult to understand basics of computer. But when we do it in this way, they take a lot of interest. Right? So this is computer and all these things are related to math science. I'll take you to that corner also. We have a green corner.
मैम ये फर्स्ट टाइम है कलांजलि उत्सव का मयूर स्कूल का, तो क्या इस तरीके के प्रोग्राम्स आगे भी होते रहेंगे, आगे भी कंटिन्यू रहेंगे?
Absolutely. Because this is a part of our school calendar. So every year we will have the Kalanjali Utsav.
Thank you so much, Anand.
I'll take you to the other corner.
Thank you so much, Upasana, for this wonderful.
This is the green corner.
And now we are.
Children themselves have contributed these flower pots. So the names of the children from various classes are written over here. And you can see we have also mentioned 99% materials are recycled.
When students are performing here.
So again, these things are also made of recycled materials.
मैम हम जानना चाहेंगे एक, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमने बहुत सारे प्लांट्स देखे हैं यहाँ पे, तो हम जानना चाहेंगे जो अभी हमारा ग्लोबल वार्मिंग हो रहा है, जिस तरीके से धीरे धीरे पेड़ कट रहे हैं, उसको लेकर बच्चों में क्या कुछ देखने को मिलता है? क्या उनको इन सब चीजों के करने के थ्रू उनको पता चला कि नहीं पेड़ जरूरी है? या
Yes, this is what we want to impart. So education, that children will learn is so important to take care of the Mother Earth. Therefore, now our children, what they do, say for example, say they have bought a new shirt or a new dress, we get cardboard boxes. The children come back to school with them. They don't throw it away because they know they can make something out of it. So that is our satisfaction that our children are learning what we are trying to teach them. You there? These are all posters related to this green corner. I'll take you there. Another interesting thing. These are the personalities of the month. हर महीने हम 3 personalities ले लेते हैं. 3 personalities we choose whose birthday is during that month. Then they research and they work on the personality. Then they put it up on their classroom boards. So this way they come to know about so many personalities. Otherwise, it is very difficult to make them learn about them. So when you know about personalities, these people, they encourage, they inspire, and you never know, tomorrow our children may become someone like one of them. And there on stage, our children are performing, although now the school that is performing is a music school, and the head of the music school is our music teacher, Sir Johnson Lama. So he requested us that we would like to collaborate with us for his annual concert. His students are on stage now. So, और हमने कहा करेगा कि भाई बच्चे के प्रेजेंट के लिए नहीं, बच्चे के फ्यूचर के लिए नहीं, कहीं ना कहीं बहुत है कि education talks about the future. And we have talked about what we are imparting today. What the child is going to be imparted. Our purpose is to set compassionate, sensitive individuals with strong for this world. Thank you so much, ma'am. जैसा कि आपने देखा हमारे स्कूल में बहुत सारे यहाँ पे सब चल रहा है, किसी भी तस्वीर
तो जैसा कि आपने देखा कि यहाँ के बच्चे ना सिर्फ हैंडक्राफ्ट्स के मामले में, ना सिर्फ एजुकेशन के मामले में, सिंगिंग के मामले में, डांसिंग के मामले में भी बहुत आगे है। तो इस तरीके की तस्वीर हमने आपको दिखाई सिलीगुड़ी के मयूर स्कूल से, और हम आपको बता दें कि यहाँ पर जो आज का कलांजलि उत्सव 2024 कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया है वो बहुत ही खास है, बहुत ही खास देखा जा रहा है आज का ये कार्यक्रम। और हम आपको बता दें कि ऐसे ही और भी प्रोग्राम्स यहाँ पे हर साल आयोजित किए जाएंगे। बच्चों ने जो कुछ भी सीखा है वो ना सिर्फ एक दिन में बताया जा सकता है, इसीलिए इस स्कूल में हर एक दिन बच्चों को कुछ ना कुछ सिखाया जाता है, हर एक दिन बच्चों के लिए कुछ ना कुछ खास आयोजित किया जाता है, कुछ ना कुछ खास सीखते हैं बच्चे, ना सिर्फ एजुकेशन के मामले में बल्कि यहाँ पर हर ऑल ओवर तरीके से बच्चों को गाइड किया जाता है। हर क्षेत्र में, जिस क्षेत्र में उनका रुचि है उस क्षेत्र में उनको शिक्षा दी जाती है, उस क्षेत्र में उनको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया जाता है। हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं यहाँ पे जिस तरीके से बच्चों के द्वारा चीजें तैयार की गई है उससे साफ पता चलता है कि मयूर स्कूल एजुकेशन के साथ साथ बच्चों को अच्छी एक पहल भी सिखा रहा है कि किस तरीके से लाइफ में आगे की तरफ वो और भी ज्यादा आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। ऐसे ही और भी जानकारियां हम आपको दिखाएंगे, और भी अपडेट्स और खबरें हम आपको मयूर स्कूल से जुड़ी दिखाते रहेंगे। तो आप एक बार देख पा रहे होंगे यहाँ पर कि जिस तरीके की यहाँ पर भीड़ है, सभी पेरेंट्स आए हुए हैं, उनको भी काफी प्राउड हो रहा होगा कि आज जिस तरीके से वो अपने बच्चों को एक इस तरीके की क्षेत्र में काम करते हुए देख रहे हैं जहाँ वो लाइफ में काफी आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। तो ऐसे ही और भी खबरें, अपडेट्स हम आपको दिखाते रहेंगे। तब तक के लिए देखते रहिए, बने रहिए SK लाइव पर। धन्यवाद।
महावीर इलेक्ट्रिकल्स 50 से अधिक वर्षों के अनुभव और सद्भावना के साथ सिलीगुड़ी का लीडिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल्स की दुकान, जहां हेवल्स, गोल्ड मेडल, RR कैबल्स, क्रैबट्री, लेग्रैंड, बजाज और कई अन्य कंपनियों के डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स और होलसेल व्यापारी हैं। ग्राहकों की संतुष्टि, शीघ्र सेवा, कम्पेटिटिव प्राइसिंग, क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्वोत्तम गुणवत्ता वाले उत्पाद हमारी कंपनी की मुख्य खासियत हैं। अधिक जानने के लिए हमें अभी कॉल करें। महावीर इलेक्ट्रिकल्स, सेवक रोड, सिलीगुड़ी 9932018834।
शादी का हो या प्री वेडिंग शूट, यादों में रंग भरना है जरूर। प्रोडक्ट्स हो या कोई नया ब्रांड, चमक उठेगा सबका नाम। हर वीडियो में मिले सिने मैजिक, हर फ्रेम को बनाए एक सीड वेब्स पर करो यकीन, हर पल को बनाए हसीन।
सोमानी डिजिविजन एंड प्रोडक्शंस, हर पल हर फ्रेम बस आपके नाम।
Are you looking for a best boarding school in West Bengal? We got you. Welcome to Mayur School, Siliguri.
In collaboration with Mayo College General Council, Ajmer.
Why Mayur? 12 acres of area with using 5 structure, AC bus facility, modern and advanced education, holistic development, AC boarding house, computer lab, smart classroom, sports complex, semi-Olympic swimming pool, library and hostel facility, Rohit Sharma Cricket Academy.
Admission open for new session 2025 and 2026.
Pre-primary, nursery, LKG, UKG and class 1 to 8.
Scholarship up to 30% off on tuition fee.
Damro Furniture's big festival sale is here. Celebrate this festive season with Damro Furnitures with mega savings on every piece of furniture. So what are you waiting for? Visit your nearest Damro store today or go to www.damroindia.com.
समय में रोपे को बिरु वाले बेला बेला मलजल पाए, एक दिन रुख भएर फलफुल दिन्छ। त्यसरी नै SIP मा ससानो रकम लगाउनु गर्दै गरी ती रकमहरू भविष्यमा ठूलो रूप लिन सक्छ एवं तपाईले धनवान पनि बनाउन सक्छ। घर बनाउन, उच्च शिक्षा लिन, सुख साधन किन्न, सम्मानित रिटायरमेन्ट जीवन जिउन, होसमा जोश मिलाई SIP मा लगानी गरी भविष्य बनाउनुहोस्।
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार के जोखिमों के अधीन है। योजना से जुड़े सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें।
नागालैंड सरकार डियर 500 सुपर मंथली लॉटरी, पहिलो पुरस्कार 2.5 करोड़ ग्यारेंटीड र धेरै पुरस्कारहरू। टिकट 500 रुपैयाँ, ड्र 14 डिसेम्बर। पहिलो पुरस्कार बिक्री भएका टिकटबाट डियर 500 सुपर मंथली लॉटरीमा 2.5 करोड़ विजेता अनवर। के तपाई हुनुहुन्छ यसपालिको करोडपति?